Hi everyone, Nancy with Ashes Treasure Homesteading and Gardening, and I'm glad everybody's been enjoying the meals that I've been posting. I did not post Tuesday night because there was just so much going on, but I will post it today of what we made yesterday because there was a lot going on in the kitchen. I showed everybody, excuse me, morning sinuses. Then I got my pressure canner. So I got to use it yesterday. I'm so excited. I will show everybody later what I made. And just it turned out so great. And first time pressure canning, and I did not have a jar break. Yay. So I was really happy about that. Now I'm ready to do some more stuff. It's just so exciting. I've done blueberry jam and strawberry jam, whatever you want to call it. Water bath and all, but pressure canning is just, I think will save us so much money, especially buying beef stock or chicken stock or broth, whatever my son uses when he makes his beef stew. And believe me, all I know is that it's beef tips, potatoes, carrots, celery, onions, some of the spices. Yeah, they put garlic in it, garlic cloves, salt, pepper. I know oregano. I don't know about any others. Excuse me for a moment. As far as the process of what he does to make his beef stew so good, red pepper flakes. I cannot forget those. He has his own little tricks that he learned from watching, different food shows and everything. So I can't really, I guess, because I'm not promoting them. I'm just what he watched growing up. So we all know the network for that. But there was different shows that he watched, and he just did his own little thing. And he is an awesome cook. Oh my goodness, he should have. We keep telling him to go back to school to be a chef. He goes, no, I've already got enough student loans. I don't need no more. But yeah, that's all I can tell you. That's all I know. They will not let me in the kitchen when they're cooking that beef stew. So I hope that helps a little bit, because everybody's been asking me, how do you make it? I don't know. I can tell you what's in it, but I cannot tell you how what their process is of cooking it. They won't let me in the kitchen. So if I can find out a little bit more information, I will let you know. So, but we've been doing good. We've been busy and everything. I do have a question for everybody. And if you don't know the answer, that's okay. If you have a clue, you can leave a comment. But here's something very ironic. Everybody knows, I've mentioned, I have eczema. Never had it all my life. The last 3 years, it just popped up. So, this hand is not as bad as it was. It's right in here. And this hand, it popped up the other day. And you all know I am I'm making my own hand lotions, hand cream, soap, shampoo. Because we didn't like the story cream that they were giving to my granddaughter for her eczema. We just gotta find something else. I have tried every single thing. We've done cocoa butter, shea butter. I even got mango butter. I do know that frankincense and lavender helps better than some of the other essential oils that I've used. Peppermint does really well, but nothing actually clears it up. Here's what happened. My son and daughter-in-law really love Bath and Body Works, their products. Yes, it may not be the best. It's probably got stuff in it. You name it, so be it. But She loves their hand cream because it does. It has shea butter, the glycerin. Yeah, it may have some other stuff that we don't like, but that's what she likes. She bought some for my granddaughter. It was pound cake, not strawberry pound cake. It's a different cupcake, vanilla cupcake or something like that. Anyway, she started using it on her eczema on her arms. Well, I got this for Christmas last year, and I got another one. So I was like, I'm curious, because I started using that one on my granddaughter, and her arms started to clear up. I started using this one, and yeah, that's why this hand is not as bad as it was. Well, I'm confused. I am just very confused. Shouldn't my natural, all natural, no preservatives, no chemicals, no nothing, be clearing this up? I love this too. It smells so good. It says Mary Cherry Cheer, and it smells really good. It's got Ultra Shea body cream. You know, it's not a paid promotion or anybody asked me to sit there and say anything about it. It's just what's been working. Don't know why. Can I put my finger on it? Maybe somebody else may know the answer. But yes, that has started to clear up whatever's on our skin. So is it eczema? Is it something else? We've cut out food. We introduced it, and I haven't had. We thought it was from the Chinese restaurant that we were going to, something like the MSGs or whatever, in the sauce or whatever. Haven't had that for 2 months. This still happened. Mine's only on my hands, though. I wish it wasn't on my hands. She has it on her arms right here, and her legs, and a little bit on her torso. That's where she breaks out. We've eaten, fruits, vegetables. We cut out bananas, we cut out eggs. We put them back, and anytime it doesn't matter. It still happens. So, to me, it's not something that you eat. It's got to be something else. So, that is where we are with the eczema issues going on. Who knows? I've gone to clean eating. I've done all of that. And it still just comes back. So, my son says it's psoriasis. And I'm like, no. Because we looked up the different things about eczema. Yes, I talk with my hands. Psoriasis, and this is definitely eczema, but where it popped up out of, I have no clue. Have I had stress in my life? Oh, more than what I guess more people have ever been through in their whole lives. So yeah. Never had that. So this has got to be something else. Just have not figured out what it is. But if you have a clue or you have a suggestion, just leave it in the comment below. Also, today is supposed to be in the 60s outside. So, my granddaughter and I will be planting some flowers and some vegetables. I'll be transferring my tomato plants into the basket. And we'll be doing a video later of what we got in the mail. So be looking for that. And we'll see if something works. If they do, I'm going to buy some more. We've just got a lot going on. I'm a cold person. I love the cold weather. You can give me this like snow any day. But this year, I'm ready for summer, spring and summer. So I'm ready to be planting. Ready to get that done. Now, if I had house and land, oh yeah, you better believe I would have greenhouses all year long going. But now everybody's getting antsy. Everybody's tired of the cold, and now we're ready to plant and get our food going. So we stop relying on stores. Yeah, that's just sad. We have to watch what we say. And that's not what this country is about. But I will put a link down below to Out of Goshen. He posted a video about a police officer. And we need to support this police officer 100%. Because he went out and he put his foot down and said exactly what needed to be said about what's going on. And I think the more he gets support, the more people that knows what's going on, it will get to the president and he will not lose his job. How about that? I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, just a little bit of what's been going on. Been busy in the kitchen, cooking. School's almost over with. So, and she'll graduate from kindergarten in a couple of weeks, and young Nana's gonna cry because my little baby girl's growing up. Just hard to believe. So, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell for notifications so you know when the next video is coming out. And thank you for watching, and everybody have a wonderful day.